Hello, this is checkpoint 4.20. We have a given function here, e to the 5 minus 2x plus 3y, and they want us to approximate the function at 4.1 and 0.9 using the point 4.1 as your center point. And they want us to approximate this using 4 decimal places. All right. So the approximation says that f of xy is approximately equal to essentially the tangent plane, the linear representation of our line, which has the formula f of xy plus f sub x evaluated at x naught y naught, or f of x naught y naught plus f sub x evaluated x naught y naught, x minus x naught, plus f sub y evaluated at x naught y naught, y minus y naught. Okay, it looks like we're gonna want to find the same things that we did as if we were looking for a tangent plane, and then we'll eventually put in the value that we're looking for, which is 4.1 and 0.9. So let us find these values that we're looking for, and we have x naught is 4 and y naught is 1. So let's first find f of x naught y naught, or let's just put 4 1 here since that's what we're looking for. F of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1, so f of 4 1, and we're going to the exponential function 5 minus 2x, so 2 times 4, and plus 3y, 3 times 1. So this is e to the, this is 8, 5 minus 8 is negative 3, plus 3 is 0, so that's just going to equal to 1. Okay, now let's figure out our first derivative. Let's call it f sub x, and the derivative of the function, or the function with respect to x, is you'll get the same thing, e to the 5 minus 2x plus 3y times the derivative of the inside, and the inside is going to be the derivative of 5 minus 2x plus 3y with respect to x, and that's going to be negative 2. All right, and then we need to evaluate this, f sub x evaluated at 4 comma 1, and the exponential function is just going to be 1 when you put the 4 1 in. We just saw that from the first step, and so we're going to get just the constant negative 2. Okay, next we're going to take the derivative with respect to y, and then we will get the same thing. Well, let's use a different pen here. We're going to get the same thing. We're going to get e to the 5 minus 2x plus 3y times 3, and again, like we saw before, f sub y of 4 1. The exponential function evaluated at 4 1 is going to be 1, so this is just going to give us a 3. And then that is our f sub y term. So let's put it together. Our linear function L of xy is going to be 1 minus 2 x minus 4 plus 3 y minus 1. Now that we have our linear approximation, we want to figure out what happens when we put 4.1 in and 0.9. And we're essentially going to put those values in for x and y. So we're going to have 1 minus 2 times 4.1 minus 4 plus 3 times and 0.9 minus 1. All right. So we have 1, and this is minus 2 times 0.1 plus 3 times negative 0.1. And we have 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.3, so that's 0.5. Okay, so that is your approximation. We can say that f of 4 is 0.9, 4.1 comma 0.9 is approximately equal to 1/2. If we compare this with the actual value of f of x, f of 4.1, 0.9, this is going to be e to the 5 minus 2 times 4.1 plus 3 times 0.9, and I put that in the calculator and I got 6065, which is fairly close. It's our linear approximation at that point. Okay, I hope that helps.